Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to type to Siri using Apple Intelligence. So if you're lazy and you don't want to say anything, however you want to use your finger to ask Siri to do certain tasks on your iPhone, then let me show you how to do this. So in order to do this, you need to have iOS 18.1 installed on your iPhone. So on your screen here, you want to go ahead and tap at the bottom, double tap until you get this keyboard saying you want to ask Siri. Now you can do this anywhere. You can open up a web page and also tap on that line and this will open up the keyboard again. Again, you can open this anywhere. So just go ahead and double tap at the bottom and this will open up the keyboard. Now with this keyboard here, you can basically type in whatever task you want. However, this is the smart keyboard as it will basically predict what you're trying to type. So here I'll go ahead and type open. And now as you can see, it's trying to predict what you want to open, CapCut, settings, or TikTok. So here I'll go ahead and tap on open TikTok. And this will now open up TikTok. You can go ahead and double tap on it. And let's say call or message. So there you go. Open message, send a message, or send a message to unknown. So by using this, you'll be able to type to Siri instead of speaking to it. So there you go guys, that is how to type to Siri using Apple Intelligence on your iPhone running iOS 18.1. Now if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.